This is PSpice simulation tutorial series. In this video, we will configure and run the noise analysis on an example circuit which you can download using the link given in the description. So let's get started. In the first step of this video, we are going to load the project. To do that, we'll open OrCAD Capture from Cadence program menu, select the license and click over OK button. Once the OrCAD Capture is ready, we are going to load the project. To do that, we'll go to File, Open, Project. And this is the same project which you can download using the link given in the description. Then select the example.opj file and click over Open. Once the project has been successfully loaded, we are going to create a new simulation profile. To do that, we'll click over this new simulation profile button. We are going to name it Noise Analysis and click over Create button. Once the simulation setting window will open, here we are going to add couple of parameters. So first, make sure you have selected AC sweep analysis from the analysis type. Our start frequency will be 100 kHz. End frequency will be 10 GHz. 10 points per decade. Then we are going to enable the noise analysis. And here you have to enter the output voltage variable. In our case, it is Vout2. So let's select it. Power source will be V1 with the interval of 30 points. Click over Apply and OK. Next, we are going to run the simulation. To do that, we'll click over this Run Simulation button. And here you can see the simulation is successfully completed. Next, we are going to plot the noise analysis or add traces in this simulation window. To do that, we'll click over Add Traces button. And from here, we have to select NFIB Q1 and RB Q1 and RC Q1 and S1B, which will be somewhere here, and SIB, which will be somewhere here, and REQ1 and NSIC-Q1. So these are all the noise contributions from the Q1 device. So we'll select all of these and click over OK button. Now from here, you can clearly find out the noise performance of Q1 device for all the noise parameters. Now next, let's say if you want to select the output noise for the entire circuit. To do that, we'll go to View, go to the output file, and here search for output noise. So here you can find the top contribution to the output noise for all the devices or for entire circuit. Alright. So for RS2, RS1, this is the maximum noise. And for Q1, Q2 and Q4, we have this noise level here. Alright, which is around 6 to 7% of total noise. So next we are going to close this simulation output window and save the project. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.emaeda.com and don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel.